I want to run away with you. I want to hold your hand and point at things like pretty flowers and make promises and plans. Talk ourselves into an avenue and drive each other mad until it's gone. We talk